Old Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you, preparing for a big, huge lobster crawfish boil barbecue party. Like always, we kick it off some sweet smoky Joe's deep Creole seafood boil, or Southern Coast cooking boil, whatever you like to call it. I got some pork butts shredded up there in the Cambrio. I've got some beans and some other stuff, sausage over here on Y640. Let me show you my ribs I got going on the just beautiful ribs we got. I'm about to wrap them. Look at that. Would y'all look at the color on those ribs? That's not gorgeous, I don't know what it is, but anyway, we're about to get the party started. Everybody will come over here just shortly, but I'm getting everything ready. All right, y'all, look, we got a first batch of crawfish about to come out. Run the bowl boss on them. Let me show y'all something here. Ooh, look. Those some good crawfish. Give me a good scoop of them. Pineapples in there. I mean, these are going to be spicy. Loaded down with that good sweet smoky Joe's dynamite crawfish boil. And put some extra heat to these. So it's going to be our spicy batch. For sure. Alright, here we go with the first batch. Awesomeness. The other way. Yeah, turn it toward me. Yeah, there you go.
You're losing stuff.
There we go. Yeah. It's forward, yeah. There we go. Well, you know, look at that. There's some good crawfish and fixings right there. We're going to slam on this batch. First batch. Charles just took these ribs off the smoker here. These come off the Hunsaker. Good stuff. So we're going to give those a try here in just a moment. Alright, y'all, so this is the main part of the cook. We got some Maine lobsters. Oh wow. Oh my God. Y'all look at this. You ever seen anything like that? That is a dozen large Maine lobsters right here. Those aren't small lobsters by any means. So I'm going to have to unload them somehow and put them in a bucket to get them in the boiler, but those are beautiful. Came from Maine Lobster Now. Absolutely gorgeous. Having a great time here playing with all the lobsters. Come on. Look at that. We got a whole bucket of them over here. 12 a dozen lobsters. 2.5 pounders.
The average pound of lobster is?
Well, they're all 2.5.
2.5?
They're all 2.5.
This guy.
Y'all, me and Smackalicious Abe and I are about to load this pot up with delicious Maine lobsters. Abe, I'm kind of over here behind the camera, so if you'll start just loading the pot up, show each one as they go. That's one, that's two. Look at that beautiful lobster. 3. Look at that. 4, 5, just beauties, beautiful. 6, 7, 8, delicious 2.5 pound lobsters, guys, from Maine. 9, 10, 11, all right, little baby. 12, that's a dozen, a Becca's dozen. All right, Abe, we're gonna, let me get around there and help you. All right. All right, let's load these bad boys on into the pot. Ready? Yeah. I don't think so. All right, here we go, y'all. Let these bad boys go. 25 minutes? Bring them to a boil for about 25 minutes on first. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be awesome, y'all. Can't wait. Still munching on the crawfish over there as well. Okay, Abe and I are about to dump the lobsters out. There we go. I got it going. Okay. Yeah, we got it all cooked up. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, I'll get on this side. Okay, here we go. That way everybody can see. Tell me when you're ready. Oh, I got it. Yeah, let's get them like this. There we go. Oh, yeah. Let's try not to break the claw.
That's some big lobster.
Oh, my word. Look at that. Is that not beautiful?
I want all these bars.
Look at that. Oh, wow.
It sounds like Steve Irwin right now.
Yeah, it's the beauty.
It's a beauty. They look like giants.
Right. Dude, this is awesome. Hey, if you want to get the camera over there, now I'm kind of
I'm going to raise it, make it pretty.
oh yeah.
Let's go ahead and take these bands off of it.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.
Matter of fact, I think I'm going to do this by regular hand.
Alright, we'll do that. And yeah, I just will arrange a person now.
There we go.
Awesome. Yeah, we got to get these lobsters set up. That's awesome. Hey y'all, Joe here at Southern Coast Cafe. We are enjoying this. We're about to enjoy this wonderful lobster feast. We've got some very close friends that came here with us today to celebrate. Had a great month last month as far as we did sales and cars. Other than that, no, also we're just celebrating the laws here together. Just safe.
You don't know the biggest trick of the day, right?
All you viewers out there and leave it on the lobsters and everything. We've got a huge pile of lobsters. So we've been eating wonderful all day. We've had pork butt, we've had ribs, we've had crawfish, everything else. So we just kind of wanted to end the night tonight with some wonderful 2.5 pound Maine lobsters from Maine Lobster Now. Go ahead and just get a taste of that. Go ahead and just crack that shell. Oh my goodness.
I'll do my best.
We're going to give this just a little try. Look at that. It's kind of chilled. I'm going to dip it over here. I've got some butter, some drawn butter. Get that there. This is kind of the traditional deal.
Hey, we're not.
That's amazing. Oh my God. Her mama. I'll tell you what, I want everybody to come over here and join this. We appreciate it. This is awesome. Absolutely. Very blessed to have this meal here tonight. Thank y'all, and we're going to close out with this. I'll get a few more shots of maybe groupie. Thank y'all. Okay, everything pretty good? Vic, how is it? Good? All right. Everybody is over here hanging out, eating some lobster. Oh yeah. Southern Coast of Living. Maine Lobster. Alright y'all, good morning. This is the worst part. I got to deal with the aftermath of the crawfish boil. Not too bad out here. A lot of people helped clean up last night. Oh no, we forgot to dump the pot. So got a lot of cleaning up to do this morning. But it was a great time last night.